Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create account for a application HEOS for a speaker Denon Home 150. You have to start by opening HEOS application, go to Settings, click on Profile icon, click on Create account. In the first line you should write your email address. In the second line, you should write create a password. And click on Next. Choose your country. Click on Next. Click on Terms of Use. Read it. Close it. Next to Privacy Policy. Read it. And close it. Next, click on Accept. And here we go, we just created an account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!